Wow guys, I tell you, if you want to start, okay, here's the worst place to start doing GrabFood. North Point, here's the worst place to start doing GrabFood. Whew. You'll be exhausted at the end of the day. You have a lot of people, you have to look for direction. North Point, you have north, south, east, west wing. You have too many ways, too many merchants. Oh my god, and then you have so many levels for North Point. Most of the malls, basement 1 is the maximum already. North Point got basement 2, you gotta go 2 level down. But I think if you want to start learning to do GrabFood in North Point, I think it will take me at least 3 months to really memorize everything, the directions and stuff. Whew, talk so much, overshot already. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!